Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're unpacking a fundamental, completely game-changing shift in how the world's top companies evaluate talent. Now, the source material we're looking at focuses heavily on Google, but let's be real here. The message isn't just how to get a job at Google. Google is simply serving as the gold standard for hiring practices that leading organizations everywhere are adopting right this second. Look, companies are no longer evaluating you solely on your technical skills, or the degree hanging on your wall, or even your years of experience. They are increasingly looking for professionals who can leverage AI to solve problems, boost productivity, and make sharper decisions. Think of it this way: AI has literally become a baseline workplace skill. It's just like email or Excel or cloud computing in earlier decades. So whether you're actively job hunting or you just want to stay competitive in your current role, understanding how to strategically use AI is now an absolutely critical career skill.
So let's dive into this. I want you to imagine a scenario that is playing out in corporate recruiting offices every single day. And it's wild because nearly 75% of resumes never even reach a human eye. We have two candidates applying for the exact same position. They both have similar experience, they both have identical degrees, they even know the exact same programming languages. But candidate A gets the interview and candidate B gets rejected in seconds. Why is there such a massive disconnect? Well, because in the modern job market, possessing raw knowledge just isn't enough anymore. It's all about execution and efficiency, and that is exactly where AI proficiency creates a dramatic dividing line between applicants.
The crucial takeaway here is super simple. Google isn't just looking for people who know technology. They're looking for people who know how to work with AI. And honestly, this goes way beyond tech roles. We're talking software engineers, product managers, data analysts, marketers, UX designers, and even the recruiters themselves. They're all using AI tools every single day to become more productive. If you're spending months endlessly tweaking the formatting on your resume, but you haven't taken the time to learn how AI can improve your actual daily work output, you're missing a massive opportunity.
Okay, let's dive into this playbook. We are going to walk through 5 essential steps to future-proof your career: finding the right role, building an ATS-friendly resume, optimizing your professional profile, mastering the AI practice interview, and finally, authenticity and next steps.
Step 1. Find the right role.
You know, most people just type software engineer jobs into a search bar, which is incredibly broad and, frankly, a huge waste of time. Instead, go directly to a company's careers page, find a matching role, and paste the entire job description right into ChatGPT or Claude with this exact prompt. By asking the AI to extract the top 10 skills and flag your personal gaps, you instantly generate a highly personalized learning roadmap. You're not guessing anymore. You know exactly what the employer wants. And remember, this approach works brilliantly whether you are targeting Google, Microsoft, Amazon, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, or Deloitte. It works everywhere.
Step 2. Build an ATS-friendly resume.
Here's the truth. Top-tier companies do not hire generic candidates. If you're sending the exact same resume to 50 different companies, you're definitely doing it wrong. Instead, you want to use a prompt just like this to tailor your application perfectly. Ask the AI to keep everything truthful, improve the clarity, highlight your measurable achievements, and naturally blend in those relevant keywords. Now, a quick warning, the goal here is never to exaggerate your experience. You are just using AI as a communication multiplier, ensuring your resume speaks the exact same language as the applicant tracking system or ATS that's evaluating it.
Step 3. Optimize your professional profile.
So, once your beautifully tailored resume actually gets a recruiter's attention, the very next thing they'll inevitably do is look you up on LinkedIn, right? So here are 3 rapid-fire prompts you can feed into your AI assistant right now. Ask it to rewrite your headline for your target role, improve your About section to give it a sharp professional tone, and have it suggest 20 matching technical skills. Literally, in a matter of minutes, you've seamlessly built a cohesive, targeted professional brand that flawlessly mirrors the resume you just submitted.
Step 4. The AI practice interview. I have to admit, I get genuinely excited about this phase, because this is where AI transforms from just a writing assistant into an incredibly powerful 24/7 practice partner. This sequence is brilliant. Step 1, upload the job description and your tailored resume. Step 2, give the AI its persona by asking it to act as an interviewer for your target company. And step 3 is where the magic happens. You answer the question and then ask the AI to rate your answer. It will instantly pinpoint your weak examples, flag missing details, and correct your communication before you ever step foot in an actual interview room. It's a total game changer.
And what's really amazing is the versatility here.
Depending on the exact role you're going for, you can tell the AI to totally shift its focus. You can practice complex coding questions, deep dive system design discussions, tricky behavioral questions, or broad product thinking exercises. The AI completely adapts to whatever specific interview format your target role demands. It's literally like having an expert coach sitting right on your desk.
Step 5. Authenticity and next steps. So listing your skills on a resume or a LinkedIn profile is great, but actively demonstrating what you can build through a strong portfolio is infinitely better. You can build highly practical things, like an expense tracker, a document summarizer, or a data analysis dashboard. AI can help you brainstorm these ideas, write the documentation, and improve your code to show genuine problem solving. But hey, I want to pause here for a second and look beyond just job hunting. If you are already employed, these exact same tools can assist you right now. Use them for writing emails, creating presentations, analyzing massive Excel datasets, preparing quarterly reports, and automating that boring, repetitive daily work. AI is an everyday productivity tool that makes you absolutely invaluable to your current employer.
However, we absolutely must anchor all of this with a very serious reminder about responsible use. Never submit code or content that you don't actually understand. Never claim projects you didn't build. And never fabricate experience. Look, AI is unlikely to replace every single job out there, but professionals who know how to use AI effectively are absolutely going to have an advantage over those who don't. Think of AI as a career accelerator, okay? Not a shortcut for misrepresentation. Your ultimate success still depends heavily on your own strong domain knowledge, your authentic communication skills, and your personal drive for continuous learning. Believe me, interviewers and managers can always tell when a candidate genuinely understands their work.
If you're an Indian corporate professional, an engineer, manager, banker, HR professional, finance expert, consultant, or business leader, please do not wait until AI becomes strictly mandatory in your organization. On this channel, I share step-by-step tutorials, real business use cases, and career strategies designed specifically for working professionals in India. So if you want to future-proof your career, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you're looking for structured, hands-on training with live mentoring, head over to AIskillAce.com to explore our AI Career Acceleration Program. Your AI journey starts with one single decision. I challenge you. Open ChatGPT or Claude today, copy a job description from your dream company, analyze it using AI to find your top 5 skill gaps, and begin learning one new skill this week. Because ultimately, you really have to ask yourself, will you spend your time guessing, or will you start building the skills that actually matter? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.